What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you had a good week. Hope you're having a great start of the weekend so far. And welcome to your daily update on JASMY, which in the end, I mean, the situation right now, I'm not sure where the price was yesterday. Price yesterday was down here. I also shorted JASMY then. But what we said yesterday as well is that, well, we are at the bottom of the range right here. And that has been the case right now for a week now. We were at the bottom of the range. So what we also said is that it was most likely that we would see some bullish momentum right here. All right, there's always the possibility, like in the end, what we're waiting for with JASMY is a breakout. And there's always a chance, like yesterday, or at least overnight, we got up to the top of the range. There's always a chance to break out. But yesterday, and also today, I mean, yesterday the bearish breakout was unlikely. Right now, the bullish breakout is unlikely. But I mean, in general, like I said, the market situation, I would say for JASMY right now, is still very, very similar as it was yesterday, or the day before, or the day before. But the thing is that you need to be prepared, right? Because at some point of time, look, JASMY has done this, like this range which we are in right now, on the 4-hour time frame is actually very tight. All right, so JASMY has done this before, and it has always led to some sort of a big move, either to the upside or to the downside. Even right here, I mean, this market structure we had from February until May was different. But even then, the consolidation eventually led to some sort of a breakout. And in between, we also had these consolidations, these smaller ones, which led to a breakout, and that is what you need to be prepared for. All right, so personally, if I look at the price of JASMY right now, I would say just stay away from it or scalp it. All right, you could have made a lot of money just shorting the top of the range, which right now, like the most respected level is very much 2.5 cents, the psychological level, even though I would say the main resistance level is this entire level. All right. So you could have made money there, and you could have also just longed the bottom here at 2.25 cents every time we got there, and you would have made money. But I think the most important thing to wait for and be prepared for is the bigger breakout. All right, there's a good chance that Bitcoin turns bullish relatively soon, somewhere in July, and JASMY, I think, has a good chance to rally then. So how to be prepared for that? Just price alerts. All right, if you look at JASMY right now, if you look at the and you look at the momentum right here, what you say is that, well, there's no momentum. We gained a little bit of momentum over Thursday and Friday. That's all great, but in the end, right now, there's nothing. So I don't expect a big move right now. And then apart from that, it's also the weekend, right? So in the weekend, you very rarely get a big move, even though last weekend we did have a significant bullish move from JASMY. So for me, the two levels you need to watch are 2.55 cents and 2.25 cents. Those are the levels that we are bouncing around in between. So if we either, like for me, I would say the most likely scenario, because the higher time frame trend is down, I would say the most likely scenario is a bearish confirmation. That doesn't necessarily add up with Bitcoin, like Bitcoin is showing some more bullish signs. But in that case, what I would be prepared for is some sort of a break down below 2.25 cents. And when we drop down below that, I'll wait for a confirmation, enter a short, and short it all the way down to the bottom right here. So be prepared for that. And also, if you are buying JASMY, if you hold it spot, potentially sell something off at a higher price if we do see that bearish confirmation. And what I think is even more interesting is something like this, right? If we can get a bullish breakout above 2.55 cents to long that breakout. And I think that's a possibility as well. And you could trade it something like this, right? With a decent risk reward, I would say, of 2.2. If we get that breakout, you need to long. But that's very much like which breakout we get right now, since JASMY doesn't have any momentum of its own, is very dependent on Bitcoin. And that's something we'll have to wait for. It's the weekend right now, so we probably will not get any big moves in the weekend. But yeah, I'll keep you updated on that as well, of course. But for now, that's what you need to know. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.